the real one.
Whoa!
I'm just hitting your guys' waist. Like,
Really?
it's funny because
How
your
long
top
ago?
hat moves and your bottom half doesn't.
Yeah, I know.
Some random person joined.
Gotta bob and weave. Gotta be. You gotta beep and walk.
What the fuck? Aha, pans for days.
I got a pan too.
I have not.
I guess this raid is panning out for us.
Fuck you. Uh,
Nothing.
yeah, the first
Yep.
building I went to only had an M16. That was it. Oh, yes.
What'd you find?
Press
gonna
for the
DC?
M16.
Oh,
The press
okay.
star.
I was like, you gonna DC? Why is it so far?
One more check upstairs real quick. Oh, it was worth
Level
it.
2?
It was worth it.
You got a car?
Yeah.
Nice.
I did, in fact,
I found
get a car.
Oh no, it's a quick draw mag. Excuse me, are you my Uber?
Yes. Nick, get it.
Hold on, I got a car.
Nick, the blue thing's coming.
Carabiner. Am I driving?
No.
Yes, please.
Oh, yes. Wait, you're not my Uber.
Okay, I was shot too.
Oh, my joke went unnoticed.
Yes, yes, I did.
I said no, I'm afraid of commitments.
Haha!
Ah. Fuck.
Don't do that.
Sorry, I had to show those kids who's boss.
That's to our right. Whoa! Oh!
Oh god.
Keep going, no balls! Dude, it's gonna be in the military base. You're gonna have to get across the bridge! Oh, don't you fucking flip me. I have asthma.
Panic!
Why'd you just fucking nail us?
We're almost there. 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 Oh, my butthole. Okay.
Let's raid this house.
Oh,
Oh, fuck!
we're good.
Oh, shit! Okay, that way. But then
Okay.
again, you wanna risk
Sir.
it?
Yes.
You're not my Uber!
What the fuck?
Damn.
Oh, there's a dude. Oh yeah!
Oh, fuck, you hit him!
And we're gone.
I should've just yelled out of who I bar. Then that'd have been racist.
Dude, I wrecked that guy.
You wanna just wait at the end of the bridge?
Let's go on the hill.
We have a car.
Yeah, with no way.
No, you have a car.
Oh. I know what you mean now.
Yeah. We should also face this car the opposite direction.
Hold up. It's just so we have, cover on our
I'm gonna
behind.
put gas in it real quick.
God, they're far.
Alright, I put
They're
gas.
just in the middle of the road over there.
The sniper.
Fuck.
There.
There we go. Thank you. I'll give
I thought you
you.
said you had an 8 times. Or was that last game?
That was last game. I don't need
I
the
see
ammo.
them. I see them.
If Nick ends up with the.
I got him. I got
There's a
him.
whole squad.
I'm gonna loot his corpse.
Oh, David, that was very
Watch out,
cool.
watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh!
Oh shit! That was.
Oh!
So close. I don't even know where they are anymore.
Car. He's at Northwest and 300. It's that rundown car. Oh, I shot him. Do you see that blood splatter?
Yeah, I fucking hit him right now too. I don't know how he's alive. How he's not alive.
alive? David?
What?
I said you don't know how he's not
Shut up.
alive?
You know what I meant?
Oh, headshot.
Oh!
Right,
Nice.
and then you just crash it.
Oh god.
They have a fucking sniper.
Danny, go. I have better cover, honestly. Oh, he jumped off.
I just hit somebody.
Wait, let's see.
I killed the guy.
Nice.
Is it over us? Is it over us? It is.
There's one guy
Should we
behind.
get in the car and leave?
Oh, he's shooting me from underneath. God damn. This dude's aim is ridiculous.
Oh my god, I see him.
Where is he?
Ouch. Get the fuck out of my way, Danny! He's,
I'm stuck.
on the right side of the bridge. He's behind the
I'm
car.
stuck, guys.
Yeah, it's gonna phase you out.
There we go.
That's where I was stuck. I think we should just get out of here.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Or you want to just
We
hold
gotta
them
get to the safe zone.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll probably continue our scuffle. I got a kill.
Nice. I got
I
two.
almost did. I almost did.
Oh.
Oh, it's a bush.
Yeah, I was you didn't say anything, and I'm like,
No, I said, oh!
yeah, that's it. You were like, eh. Oh, you clicked F on accident. I'm like, are we getting it? So over here somewhere?
We're walking from here.
Closing door.
I must have gone over the ridge. Going out. Oh shit.
Car.
Bike.
It stopped.
Are they stopping you, Nick? Did they see you?
Don't
They're
know, but I
stopping
am.
at the house we were just at.
Where's
There's
that
two of them.
I'm
car?
inside this building. And I might need some help. Don't do anything.
Danny, don't show yourself.
I showed coming in.
Watch
They're
out, someone's coming in.
Goddamn.
Prayers to Lord Blitz.
I
I
got
thought I
two
was
kills.
shooting him the whole time. He's outside the door. Outside the door, 240. He's coming around.
They're dead. Someone else killed him.
Kill.
Stay near the right.
Okay,
Someone
well,
like
we're
right
at
there.
the top of the hill, so we got some fucking vision. It's good for us. What the fuck? This is a cliff. I mean, we could walk down and we'll be good, but... Oh! Was that you shooting?
Oh, Pan. There, he's dead.
There's someone right here. God, I'm getting shot.
Oh, we gotta keep moving.
Got him.
Yeah. Someone just fucking hit me.
They're at the tree.
Give me a number, Danny. We're in a forest, kind of.
Sorry. He was already downed.
Who's shooting?
Behind us.
No, behind us. He's right on the tree, behind us. 300. Oh!
Got him.
He was outside. He's down, or he went down, so he has a teammate.
We need to start
Did you grab the
moving.
med kit off that one guy, Danny?
Guys.
Yes, I did.
Woo, I got him.
Nice.
Here's the first aid, and here's the med kit.
No, grab that. Grab that back. I'm good.
Nick,
Oh, hold on. I'm
Hold on,
healing.
I'm looting this guy.
I got first.
oh yeah,
Okay.
4 times. Want to take the 4 times?
Oh my god, someone just downed me.
Where?
I
North,
don't know.
southeast.
It's probably to the right.
Where?
I have no idea.
Danny, stop moving.
How?
Danny's dead.
Where?
He
Where?
shot us
How?
from behind, I think, or to the right. He saw Danny.
Take my health kit.
Hold on, I'm using it. This guy has to be at the top of the hill.
Has to.
We're gonna
I
have the
don't.
bum rush to the left.
There he is. I saw him. Southeast, up the hill, behind the first tree, second tree.
Southeast, up the hill, behind the first tree.
Fuck it. Let's just go to the goddamn zone.
Hopefully he doesn't shoot me.
He has to run too. We're in the worst spot. Let's get on the hill. It'll close slowest here.
Oh shit, the clutch.
I don't see him. If he's running, he's in the blue already.
Probably.
Straight ahead of us, house. He's behind the rocks over there. Which rock did he hide behind? The little one or the
Second one.
right or left one?
One on the right.
Right.
You see him? I see him.
Frag out.
Oh! I killed him!
Nice!
Beautiful! Oh my
That
god!
was great. I hope you recorded that.
I did.
Thanks.
Dude, that was a fucking spot on frag. We gotta watch out for that dickhead to our right.
I've been looking.
That bunker right there is in the zone.
Yeah, but
So
Yeah.
I'm going up
there's
the
somebody in there.
hill. Up the hill.
Back in the recording, did you see someone's body flying?
It was better than that, you'll see. But right now, can't talk. Busy.
Dude's right here in the window.
That's fine, I'm going up the hill. Find that dude on the right who killed Danny.
Is he down?
Yes. Avenge me.
Is that you?
He's moving. I don't know what I'm hitting. He's in the right window. Second story. I'm coming to you, Nick.
Oh, I see a guy.
Give me a number.
105.
105. Ah!
Missed.
I missed. Panic missed.
Where is he? Behind the tree?
Yeah. 105 and 120.
Oh, he's gonna have to move right now.
Get to this tree right here. That's
Oh,
probably
wow,
the dude
house
that
is
killed
still
Danny.
there. Probably. Oh, he's right there.
Oh, I'm not in the fucking zone.
105.
Someone laying on the ground right in front of me.
Yeah, I know.
He's right in front of me.
I'm medkitting.
Have I not hit him? Is he still right in front of me?
I think he moved.
He must have moved.
No, he's dead.
I didn't see anything on the kill feed.
Oh, yeah, there's two people in front of me. 60. Let's see what this guy had. Bullet loops car, I'll take you. Oh, I don't know where these guys went.
Please don't tell me it's a team versus you two.
Very likely that it is.
There's people ahead of me. I didn't see where they went. Danny, did you see where they went?
Nope.
I gotta crawl to the tree over here.
They have
So
a
don't
car.
fucking
They're in a fucking car.
Oh, they're on the other side of that hill, I think. 30.
Oh, they're right there.
I know.
Where?
300, 300.
300 or?
I killed one.
Oh,
I getting
oh,
shot at?
I'm crawling on the line.
No, no. Oh, you got
Wrong
the height advantage.
Headshot.
Oh, is that the tree at 30?
At that tree? I just hit you.
I just hit him.
I'm looking at Nick's.
David, it'll be the tree on your right.
I downed him.
Nice, good.
There's 2 people downed right there behind that tree. They died. There's 4 alive.
2v2.
Oh, somebody's down right here. In front of me.
There's a guy to my left.
He'll bleed out. Or he has a teammate who's
Where
got
the
Oh,
fuck
he
did
threw a
he
grenade
shoot
too. He threw a grenade.
Oh,
Nick, it's just us
to
versus
my
that
left,
guy.
to my left, to my left, to my left.
Where? Give me a number.
345. He's running
Crawl
up
to
on
me.
me.
Crawl
He's running up on me. 345, 330. Yes! Yes! Oh!
Yeah, boy!